Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to install Python on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Python download. Hit enter. Just simply go to their official site. This link I am going to provide right in our video description. Once when you are here, you will see this download Python install manager. So our latest version of Python is version 3.14.2. So that is what we are going to install using Python install manager. So just download Python install manager, and here it is right to download it. Just simply click on that installer. You can minimize your browser, and here is our Python install manager tool. Here just simply click on install Python, and it's going to open your command prompt. Here it is telling whether you like to install CPython now. Yes, we want. So just simply type Y and hit enter. So that's going to immediately start installing latest version of Python 3.14.2. It is rightly done. Next it's going to show you whether you'll need any online help. So just type Y again and hit enter. And that's going to redirect to your browser by opening this documentation. So you can always read this documentation. You can minimize this for now, and now you just know that your Python is rightly installed. So you go to search and type cmd to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type Python and hit enter, it's going to show you this latest version of Python 3.14.2. So if you want to print, if you want to write any Python code, so something like you want to print like hello world, so write that and hit enter, and you are going to get that output. And you can also open your Python idle shell. Just simply type idle, open Python idle shell, and here also you can do that same thing like print hello, anything you want. You can also create a new file and write your own code over here. So let's say you want to do summation of two numbers like a equal to 5 and b equal to 6, and you want to do summation of these two numbers a plus b. So just write this program and save this file as to your desktop as sum.py. Just simply click on save, and your file is rightly saved. And now if you go to run and click on run module, you are going to get that output. 11 is coming. Whatever you have written, that output is coming. So that's how you install latest version of Python. You can start working on your Python projects. I highly recommend you to install PyCharm IDE. So here is the video for that. Please do install PyCharm IDE. That's going to really give you a very good user interface for doing Python programming. I'm sure you're going to really enjoy PyCharm IDE. So all these projects that you can see on this cool Python project playlist, so this rock paper scissors game, or building a resume builder, or even a project called removing this background of an image, or building a QR code, or human face detector. So all that I have created on PyCharm only. So I highly recommend you to follow this playlist and also install PyCharm. That's going to really help you to learn more about Python programming. And detailed source code that I have showed you are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So to check all these different videos, I'm sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.